Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have nothing to do, so I'm just doing vlogs and stuff right now. If you can hear that wind, I am just outside on my porch, just sitting here, because I have nothing else to do, and I told you in one of my videos, I said I would be posting a lot today, because I have nothing else to do and stuff. It's really windy out here right now. It's not as windy as it was yesterday night. It still is pretty windy. I'm sorry if you... My room is just up there. And this big tree over here is so huge. And then you can just see it scratching up against my window. It is just annoying, honestly. Can't do anything. It's kind of sad. I'm just talking about my day. Should I doorbell ditch my own house? Yes. No. Maybe so. Yes. No. Maybe so. I should. Okay, I'm gonna doorbell ditch my house. Ooh, I can doorbell ditch. Ooh, I was staring like this for 5 seconds. I'll just doorbell ditch my house and then run and hide. Oh, I got a good spot already. I'm going to, so when I knock on my door, I'm gonna jump down there, and then, yeah. Okay, ready? Oh God. Oh God. This is way too. Okay, sit down. Hang on. I bet they're gonna see me. They're actually gonna see me. They're gonna see me. Okay, I have to run. Run as I can. Okay, go. I gotta go. Hide. Okay, I did it. So now I just lock my door, act like nothing happened. I need to film my videos longer. No, I need to show you PJ. Ah, gosh, it's so windy. I'm gonna go back inside. It's way too windy. Way too windy, honestly. Let me go inside. Okay. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Sorry my videos are kind of short, but thank you for watching. Peace.